Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like the video and share. Okay, in the last video, we were calculating how to find grad F, but today we're going to calculate how to find grad F at point P naught. So let us read the question. So, given the scalar function phi F or phi is equal to 4x cubic yz minus z cubic xy plus 3, find grad f at p naught, which is equals to 2, 1 and -1. Okay, so we all know that grad f, grad f is the same as del phi. So grad f is equal to grad phi is equal to del phi. So this one is del and this one is phi. So this is our phi. So let us write del phi. So we open the bracket and write del dx I is plus del y j, then plus del z k, zk. We close the bracket, then we write phi. This is del, so we need to write the phi. So phi is the same as 4x cubic yz minus z squared y plus 3 plus 3. We close the bracket. So in the previous video I showed how we can when we open the bracket how we're supposed to write it here. We're going to write this multiply by this, all of this. I'm going to do this here, then multiply by this plus this, multiply by this. But to save on time, we'll just do it. We will just find the derivative of this in respect to x, then we add derivative of this in respect to y, then we add derivative of this in respect to z. So derivative of this in respect to x is 3 multiplied by 4, it will be 12. Going to be 12 x squared yz we still have we don't have x. We have to write something here. This equation is not the same like this. We have left x, so please, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so we should write here zxy plus 3, zxy plus 3. then we close the bracket. So this one we have another x here, so it means minus z squared y, because the derivative of x here is going to be 1. Multiply by this, so x squared 1 I. We should not forget to write our I here, because there was I here, so we come and write plus this. Derivative of this equation in respect to y, there is y here, so, and there is y here, so we're going to open the bracket here and write 4x cubic z x cubic z minus z squared x. Then we close the bracket. Then we're going to write plus we open the bracket. It is with respect to z, this equation with respect to z, but we already know that they are z here in this side and this side, so we open the bracket here, so it is going to be 4x cubic y, 4 cubic y, then minus 2z xy. So I think we are together up to there. Here, after closing the bracket, we should write our j. This j is very important. We're not supposed to forget it here. Also, we should not forget to write k. This k here. So this one is our grad f. This is grad f. So we need now to write grad f to point in this point. Grad f to this point. So we come and write here. Let's just go to the next page. So we come and say grad phi point p naught is equal to, so we come and substitute the values for p naught in this grad f, where we're going to have we're going to open a bracket here. So we say grad f p naught equals to, we open here and a square bracket. Open the bracket here, we write 12 into bracket 2 squared to bracket 2 squared multiply by 1, then minus multiply by 1, then multiply by negative 1 too, multiply by negative 1. But I think for here in 12 there's no need to write any bracket here, because 12 was just a number there. We have not substituted it with anything there. It was 12, so we should write our 12 like this, so that we can avoid confusion. So that is very well. Okay, so you subtract, you have this, subtract, we there's a bracket here, we should write, open a bracket and write negative 1, it's negative 1 here, squared multiply by 1. multiply by 1, multiply by 1. Then we close the bracket. After closing the bracket, we also close the square bracket and write I here. We come and write plus, we come and write plus, plus, and substitute. We open the square bracket to substitute. Substitute the next one here, and that one is going to be 4. Then we open bracket here and write 2 cubic. Multiply by -1, multiply by -1, minus, should minus another bracket, -1 squared, -1, we close the bracket, squared, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So 2, then you close the bracket and write J. We write J. And lastly, we come and add, open the square bracket here and write, open the square bracket there and write 4, multiply by 2 cubic, multiply by 2 cubic, multiply by 1, then we close the bracket, minus 2 into bracket, -1, -1 squared, and -1 alone, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, then we multiply by 1, multiply by 1. We close, after that, we close the square bracket and write K, and write K. So after this, we're going to do the multiplication, and we're going to calculate all the components in the square brackets. And right here, we're going to get -49, -49i, then minus -34j, 34j, plus 36k. Plus 36k. 36k. So this is our grad F. So this is our grad F in point P0. Thank you for watching.